Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Miguel, in case you're new here. What I will be doing today is an art review and a sort of tutorial on a time-lapse of the art that I've done. So here we showcase many different creatures, myths, and legends. This time around I will be going over in commentary in the process of the art making. So today's subject is going to be the Shisa, which is an Asian mythological dog that's found in both Chinese and Japanese mythology. So here I will be going over and reviewing the time-lapse of the Shisa. So let's get started. Now, right off the bat, I will be kind of emulating the statues that we're all familiar with. These are lion dog creatures that you can find at like Chinese restaurants or temples. So I wanted to give off that vibe, something pretty familiar. The one distinct feature that I try to capture right away is the movement of the fur. It's a very big, well, it's very fluffy, that sort of big fluff that lion dogs have. So here I make the face pretty distinct and fierce, so it's very reminiscent, but also kind of leaps out at you, because these are mythological creatures after all, and they're pretty vicious too. So here I made the teeth very distinct, that kind of look of fierceness, I guess. And here I was kind of playing around with the colors a little bit. I thought of making it maybe golden, but I thought, it seems pretty homogeneous, so you're going to see that I'm going to change it up a bit as we go along. Here I'm coloring the horns, so I've got like the horns that are very prominent, and having a dark area in the tongue and the mouth to give it a bit of a contrast. So here, even with the Copic markers, there is a lot of movement going on, and also a way of leaving out some of the negative space to give a bit of highlight, a natural highlight. So here I have the side area pretty golden, just like a bit of a golden dimension to the Shisa. But I decided let's go for the earthy brown color tone and a bit of a gray to give it that sort of ominous look. And here I added a bit of the dark reddish brown just to give it a bit more contrast. Have like a 3-color triptych from the dark red brown to the light earthy silver brown to the brownish yellow gold, and that is my depiction of the Shisa, my version. I hope you enjoy the time lapse and me going over the process with you. So please comment down below what you think, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next episode.